Hi kids, how are you all? I'm doing good. I hope you too stay safe and healthy with your family members. Yes. This is our chapter 2 and the name of our chapter is measurement. In this we are going to learn briefly about the circle. Initially you people know the shape of the circle as, and it will have some key measures. Okay, see this point we call it as center. This point we call it as center. From here to here we considered as radius, which can be denoted by small r. Here to here, from the center to this end, we should consider that one as radius. The radius can be denoted as the symbol small r, and from this end to this end we consider that one as a diameter. What? Diameter. The diameter which can be denoted as symbol d, small d. This area will be considered as circumference of the circle. This is what the some main key features of circle. Okay, initially you people know, yes, circle is a round plane figure, isn't it? Circle is a round plane figure. The area of the circle, if they tell us to find the area of the circle, we need to use some formula to find the circle. Okay, so pi r square units. We have to denote the given units in square term. If here they mentioned as area. Area கொடுத்திருந்தாலே நம்ம என்னன்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ண யூனிட்ஸ்ல ஸ்கொயர் யூனிட்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் circumference of the circle. They tell us to find the circumference of the circle. If they given d value, then we need to use this formula. Okay, pi d units. How we have to pronounce pi d units. Next they tell us to find the circumference of the circle if r given. R is nothing but radius. Yes, if they are given r and they tell us to find the circumference, which means what we have to use 2 pi r units. 2 into pi into r units. Okay, next what is this pi here stands for? Let's we see. Therefore the value of pi is, see, this is one constant unit. Pi is a constant unit. Wherever you are finding this pi, we need to replace the pi with these two values. One we can use this or else we can use this value. This is what the value of pi. Okay, before getting entered into this topic, these are the things you should know. Okay, got it? Measurement. Sum number 1. Diameters of different circle are given. Subdivision 1, diameter equal to 70 centimeter. Find their circumference. See, as we discussed earlier, if they given diameter and they tell us to find the circumference, which means we need to use this formula. And also they tell us to use value for pi is 22 by 7. Let's see the solution. Diameter which is equals to 70 centimeter. Circumference C which is equals to pi into d units. C is equals to, instead of pi I am replaced with 22 by 7 into diameter's value 70. And this one time, this will be of 10 time. Remaining what else is there? 22 into 10, which is become 220 centimeter. Therefore circumference which is equals to 220 centimeter. Got it? Next, same like that second sum. D which is equals to 56 meter. D is nothing but diameter. Find their circumference. Take pi is equals to 22 by 7. They tell us to find the circumference and they given that value for D. So let's see the solution. Diameter D is equals to 56 meter. Circumference C is equals to pi into D units. Replace this value of pi with 22 by 7 into the D value 56. This one time, this 56 equals to 88 times. So what else is remaining? 22 into 8. 22, simply we multiply these two terms, will get 176 meter. Therefore the circumference of the circle is 176 meter. Got it? Sum number 2. Find the circumference of the circle whose radii are given. See, last sum they given diameter and here they given radius and they tell us to find the circumference. Okay. Subdivision 1. 49 centimeter radius is equals to 49 centimeter. Find the circumference. Take pi is equals to 22 by 7. Let's see the solution. Radius or which is equals to 49 centimeter. See, now we are going to find the circumference. C is equals to 2 pi r units. For this 2 replace the value of pi with 22 by 7 into 49. After substituting these all the thing, we need to check whether the given thing which can be cancel it using same table or not. Yes, we can able to cancel it using same table. In 7 table 7 becomes 1 time, 49 will goes off 7 time. Remaining what else is there? 2 into 22 into 7 is there. Okay. Next 2 into 22 7 into 7. 2 into 22 which is equals to 44. 44 into 7 308 centimeter. Therefore, the circumference of the circle 308 centimeter. This is the way they tell us to find once the radius is given and they tell us to find the circumference of the circle. Got it? Okay kids, this is what all I have for you in today's session. Here I have attached your homework part. Try to do on your own and take down all these problems neatly. Thank you kids.